Hello everyone, welcome to the Gurukul's CAT 100 Study Room to Boardroom series. I am Krishna Chaitanya and this is Crack the Logic with KC. Over the next 100 days, you will be solving one hand-picked LRDI set every single day, a mix of basic to advanced questions which cover all the concepts required for CAT. We are also uploading quant and verbal videos as a part of this series. Make sure you watch all the 3 playlists for a complete preparation. To practice under exam pressure, all the sets we are discussing over here across all the sections are available in our website for completely free of cost. Just sign up to www.thegurukul.org.in and you can find a course called 100 Days Race to CAT. And all the sets over here are completely free for you to practice. Remember, CAT exam isn't about how perfect you are, it is about how consistent you are in your preparation. So let's not waste time and quickly jump into the video. So today we'll be solving one more logical reasoning problem, and today's set is based on games and tournaments. So pause the video and try to solve the problem, and then we'll discuss what is happening in this set. Okay, let's see what is happening. 16 teams taking part in a cricket tournament are divided into 2 pools with 8 teams in each pool. Like in a World Cup, we'll have 2 pools here. The teams in pool play one match against all the other teams in the same pool. 2 points are awarded for every win, 0 points for a loss. There are no draws nor ties in the tournament. At the end of all the matches in pool stage, the top 2 teams in each pool in terms of points scored advance to semifinals. So in both the pools, 2 teams are going to semifinals. In semifinals, the top 2 teams from the first pool plays with the second top team from the first pool plays with the second team from the second pool, and vice versa. The winners of the semifinals will go for the finals to determine the winner of the tournament. If 2 or more teams end up with the same number of points at the end of the pool stage, the teams with better net run rate is placed higher. Chalo, let's see how to solve this question. Now let's try to break this question. In this question we have 3 important note points. First one, the top 2 teams of each pool will go for the second one, and then there is a semi-finals which is happening, and then winner will be decided with a final match. And there are 16 teams and 2 points are awarded for a win and 0 points for a loss, and there are no draws. Perfect. This is the basic information. 16 teams are divided into 8 teams in each pool. So we have pool A and pool B. Okay, let's look at the first question. How many matches are played in each pool? In each pool, I'm having 8 teams, right? So first team A will be playing with B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 matches are done. Now the second team B will not play with A again because B and A match is done. So B will play with C, D, E, F, G, H. So 6 matches are done. So on. So how many batches are there in the pool? That's what we need to calculate. Perfect, which is equal to sum of 7 to 1, that is 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 28. Right? Now if you remember, in the previous set of games and tournaments which we discussed, we already discussed number of matches is always given as n into n minus 1 by 2. So here number of matches will be equal to 8 into 7 by 2. So 28 matches are there in the pool. Perfect. Second one. How many matches are played in the tournament? In pool A, 28 matches are played. Pool B, 28 matches are played. Along with this, there is a semi-final where we are playing 2 matches and finals 1 match. So 56 plus 3, total 59 matches are played in the tournament. Next one. What is the minimum number of points with which a team can reach the semi-finals? Perfect. This is a very nice question. Try to solve it. Pause the video over here. If you did not do in the previous case, pause the video and try to solve the problem one more time. Observe the statements carefully. Can I say total matches will be equal to 28? Can I say this? If total matches are 28, can I say total points will be equal to 28 into 2, which is 56 points? We don't know who will get 56 points, who will get 2 points in each match. I can't say anything about it, but we can definitely comment there is a sum of 56 points in the whole tournament. I mean, in whole pool A. Someone A can get, B can get, C can get. Who gets that points is not our problem. But a total of 56 points are gained in this pool matches in the first pool. Okay. We are talking about going to semi-finals. So pool stage only we are considering, not semi-finals and finals. For example, if A won all the matches, let us assume there is a person A who won all the matches. So all 7 matches A is winning. So 7 into 2, he can get 14 points. Okay with this part? If A is getting 14 points, then other teams should get 56 minus 14 points, which is 42 points. Now who should get those 42 points? All the other teams in this pool should sum up to 42 points. Now can I divide all these 42 points between 7 teams? If all the 42 points are divided between 7 teams, each team will be getting 6 points. So one team A got 14 points and then 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 56 points are done. Everyone is okay with this? They can get, right? There is a possibility for that. Okay. What is the minimum number of points with which a team can enter into semi-finals? Now 2 teams will go to semi-finals. One team is already A who is getting 14 points. Perfect. He is going into semi-finals. Now in all the 7 teams which I am having here, one team will definitely go, but that team also got minimum points only. That will go because of the run rate, net run rate, whatever is the story. So out of these 7 teams who got the minimum points, there is a possibility for one person to enter into semi-finals. So minimum with 6 points also, there are cases where some people can go into semi-finals. Now the same question in reverse. What can be the maximum points scored by a team that failed to reach the semi-finals? So even if I am getting maximum points, నాకు highest topper తో పాటు equal points వచ్చినా సరే, so even after getting the highest points equivalent to the person who is going into semi-finals, I will get rejected. That is the question they are talking about, the maximum points scored by a team that failed to reach semi-finals. So as usual, let's go ahead with this. Total teams we are having are 8. Total matches we are having is 28. Total points 56. Next what? Only 2 teams can go into semi-finals. That also we know. Now we want maximum points still not getting selected. Right? Which means the person who is getting selected, and the third person who is not getting selected. These 3 people should get the same score. If these 3 people are getting the same score, remaining 5 teams can also get the same score. Right? Now, if I am having 5 teams over here, leave about this part, we'll come back to this later. In this 5 teams, how many matches can happen? If 5 teams are there, 5 into 4 by 2, that is 2, which is 10 matches can happen. Between these 5 teams only, we are not talking about this. Between these 5 teams, there can be 10 matches happening. And this 10 matches, someone in these 5 teams only will keep on winning. So into 2, 20 points are gone in this place. Total points we are having is 56. 20 points are gone here. So we are left out with 36 points for these 3 teams. So each team got 12 points. Now the team which got maximum of 12 points did not get selected for the semi-finals. Even though these 2 people got selected, he did not get selected even after getting the same points equivalent to the before team. Clear with this? Perfect. So we'll end the set over here. In the last games and tournaments also, we started discussing about the maximum minimum cases. So this is also in the same style, but here there is a little more concept involved. So pause the video and try to solve the problem one more time. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to comment down how many answers you got correct and also how much time you took to get the answers correct. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share and subscribe.